Hey everyone, welcome back to Diary of a Diamond Painter. If you're new here, I share honest reviews, beginner tips and tricks, and everything sparkly in between. Today we're testing and reviewing, and I might not pronounce this correctly, but the YBUTVY diamond art trays. I've seen them pop up on Amazon. They're starting to gain traction, so I figured we'd check them out and see if I found a nicer, more budget-friendly version of the Forever Young diamond art trays that I absolutely love. So let's get into it and find out if these hold up or if they're a flop. They come packaged in a box. Yeah, obviously. And these are the trays. So, in the set that I bought, you get 60 trays, and they're 30 in each little container. And then it comes with some DMC stickers. What drew my attention to these was the fact that they have a snap lock lid that makes them mobile. And like I said, your basic DMC stickers. But let's check out the trays themselves. So these are the trays. They have a little pinch lid that you open. I want to actually grab one of my Forever Young trays that I love, and we're gonna see how they compare. Now I will say that the set, it's a 60-piece set. I paid regular price, they're $29.99, but I bought them a couple days ago during Prime Day and they were marked down to $25.99, so I got a few dollars off. Now the Forever Young tray set, which I will bring it into the shot real quick. I'm talking about this, the one that comes in the pink box. I'm sure you've seen a lot of people use. I've had this since they came out. I've absolutely loved it. I've never went back. So, this set has 30 pieces, 5 trays in each little slot. It's pretty decent plastic. And they have dividers in it because my biggest gripe with the Forever Young set is it's a 45-piece set, but I stand it up, and as I'm standing it up and I'm diamond painting, say one of the colors I need is on the bottom, and I'll go to slide it out, and I'll end up like having an avalanche of diamond painting trays come out, and I mean, they don't open, but it's annoying. So that's what really drew me to these. So let's compare the trays to the Forever Young trays, and I can already tell the Forever Young trays are deeper, but I mean, that's not a deal breaker to me. I don't know if you guys can, trying to see if you guys can tell. The Forever Young trays are a little bit deeper, just barely though. Not totally a deal breaker, but just to let you know, they're a little bit thinner than the Forever Young trays. When it comes to closing, I do feel like the lids on these, on the ones I bought compared to the Forever Young ones seem to be a little bit thicker plastic. These seem a little bit thinner. Again, not a deal breaker, but like I said, it's a little bit weaker, Let's see how this tower stands up though, out of curiosity with the, let's see. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. So I will say the ridges on both, they seem pretty comparable. Like they're pretty deep. Looks like they're gonna stack the drills really well. But my big question is, how much do they hold? Because my Forever Young trays, they hold quite a bit, and it's still manageable. Now I will say that the locking part compared to the Forever Young one, I actually, then again, my Forever Young ones are really worn out, but the locking mechanism feels similar. The one thing, and I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, the Forever Young trays are completely clear on the bottom, whereas these trays have a frosted bottom. So I don't, similar, but not similar. Let's give it a drill test. My handy dandy scissors here. So this is just like a normal pack of black drills. And, oop, lost a drill. So see, this is my downside. Downside, this is one singular pack of drills. Now, as you all know, different callers have different amounts. That is the issue. The sides of these trays are too short. So if you are wanting to shake this tray to get the drills to line up, you're gonna have to close it. You're gonna have to close it. Do not shake it open. Hence the drill mess that I now have everywhere. But it's okay. I mean, the lids are pretty. The locking mechanism on the lids make them pretty spill proof. But we're going to test that here in a minute, everybody. I'm going to drop this entire tray full of drills on this table, and we're going to see if it pops open or not. If it pops open, I will have a mess and a half to clean up. If it doesn't, then, I mean, we're good. So I guess if you're going to use these, though, one thing I will say is, one, do not shake the box while it's open. And two, be very aware of how many drills you're putting in here. Because just one little baggie, and it's pretty full. I'm not saying they're not usable, I'm just making you aware. Because if I put that same amount in my Forever Young tray, I can shake this one. And I often do. I catch myself doing that. I shake it with it open. So there's a lot more room. The Forever Young trays can hold quite a bit more. I'm not saying this is a deal breaker. This is still a really good budget kit, but I'm just saying, be aware. Do not shake the tray with it open. Now, let's do a drop test. I still got drills everywhere, guys. Just that little bit. Just that little bit. Drill mess immediately. Okay. I'm going to put these stray drills back in here. I just keep dropping them. Okay. See? Diamond painting. Even the experienced ones make messes. So, drop test. I'm going to put this up on my camera. I mean, it's pretty secure. Give it that much. Pretty secure. But I mean, so one thing, again, I don't know if you guys can see this. See how I can see the edge of the clasp? You can see almost, I don't know, you can't see it on camera. I can see it in person though. But there's a gap where these close, and I don't like that. But I mean, all in all, passes the drop test. Can't beat that. And again, I gotta say, for $29.99 for 60 trays, you have plenty of room to like maybe do more than one collar in a tray. Like, so say these black ones right here, you could always do like 2 trays of blacks and keep your extra to the side. As for the lid, which was another big selling point for me, yeah. So I don't know if you guys see that. Now, we do honest reviews here. So when I try to lock this lid into place, it's pushing. You see that? It's pushing the outside. So that one locks in fine. But this one, there we go. Something to keep in mind. I will say it's on there pretty well. Now, I'm going to kit up with these very, very soon. I'm going to kit up with this whole set, and we're going to see how these do with a full kit out. So again, I like these. I think they're definitely budget friendly. Compared to my Forever Young kit, again, I paid, what did I pay? Let me double check. So they went up in price from what I paid, but $45 for, wait a minute, that's not right. $29.99 for 45 trays. And they come in this, which is like, it's a big old cardboard box, right? Matter of fact, mine permanently stay like this because I have the worst time getting it out of the lid. So mine permanently stay like this. And normally I just stand it up like this, but I don't know. That happens all the time. And as someone with kids and pets, this is a constant at my house. With that being said, I love my Forever Young trays. I like them a lot, but I wish that we got something like this for the Forever Young trays. Now, I have seen their 60-piece set, Forever Young 60-piece set. It does come with a rack, which is a plastic, like, with the dividers like this does, but no lids. And sometimes we like to diamond paint in different places, or just say we're going to have family over with small children and stuff. We want to lock that stuff up, and I love the Forever Young trays for the functionality, but I wish that it was just more secure. Now, what I just did with those trays, I'm now going to do with these. Let's give it the shake. Cat Zoomies, dog Zoomies, kid Zoomies test. So, I mean, the dividers makes it a little bit sturdier. They're still coming out, but it looks like they're only coming out like, yeah, they're more sturdy. I fell in love with trays like these because they're clear so you can see the drills in the front. They double as containers and trays, which is a huge plus for me. The whole process of like putting all your drills in a container, then emptying them in a tray, and then when you need to switch colors, emptying them out of the tray, back into the container, then grabbing another container, pouring it into the tray, using that color for a little bit. It got repetitive and monotonous, and it really slowed me down. These, on the other hand, they double as trays. So not only are they containers, but they're trays. So for those paintings with heavy confetti, and even just in general, these are great because there's no extra steps. You just grab one, use the collar, give it a little shake, grab your drills, and then pop, clip the lid back down, switch it out for a new collar. It to me it's more simpler and more streamlined. It makes everything smooth. And the plus side to these trays is they're spill proof. So kids and pets, cats, they can't knock the trays over. So let's break it down. Pros and cons. Pros, I like the fact that it's all in a neat little plastic container and it has a lid. So it's mobile. It can be taken on the road. I love that. The trays themselves, they work perfectly. The closures for the individual trays, secure, drop proof, spill proof. Cons, they're smaller. They're a little bit smaller than the Forever Young trays. They're probably not going to hold as many drills. But another pro, they're really budget friendly. $29.99 for 60 trays with lids that double as containers, I think is a really great deal. Overall, I think they're great for the price. They make diamond painting smoother. I think they're a great budget alternative to the Forever Young trays. I'm giving these a solid, I'll give them a 4.5. Or 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. Because they're functional, affordable, beginner friendly, mobile, great for travel, spill proof. If you're looking to level up your organization, these are great. These are a really great option. I'm impressed. Cons though, I wish they were just a tad bit bigger. Little bit bigger, and I wish that the plastic was as thick as the Forever Young trays. Other than that though, I would get them. I would buy them again. I'm probably going to buy them again. And I'll use these on my next kit, which will be one of the Senator ones. And we'll see how they hold up repetitively being used. And we'll definitely see how they perform. But for now, just on first look, first impressions, I actually like them. $29.99 with a lid, hard plastic container, not a box. Yeah, I'm impressed. All right, guys, that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to tap that like button for more sparkle-filled content. Drop a comment below and tell me what trays you use for your kids. I'd love to try your favorites next. Until next time, keep sparkling, everybody.